Good morning everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do something quite interesting. I literally decided to do it yesterday. Wait, where's crumpet and butter? Okay, hang on. I'm gonna put them in the video as well. Okay, so today, wait, where are you going? Come here. Come here. Good girl. Bobby. Come say hi to everyone. Come on. Alright, so today we are going to dress them up. I'm gonna walk you through and show you the behind the scenes, the process of how we achieved this look. I mean, at this point of the video, I still don't know what's gonna turn out, but hoping for the best. The reason why was because they've never really been puppies of dressing up, because we got them in Japan, and in Japan they just don't really have the sizes for them, because most households have toy poodles, like really small dogs, so it's really hard for us to go to the pet shop and find the sizes that fit them. So we've never really been into, getting costumes for crumpet and butter. Okay, you probably can't see me right now. I mean, it's getting closer to Christmas, so I thought, okay, we're gonna go to the pet shop in the neighborhood and get something Christmassy for them to wear and then do a photo shoot. So just now I have so much time and see if they actually have something that's gonna fit them. But I will take you to the shop right now, okay? Are you ready? Yes. Is that a yes? Alright, so let's go. Bobby. Let's go. Wow. What should we get today? Costumes are like over here. Hope they are like something that can fit them. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, we found this. I think this is like a Dior for dog. So cute. Okay, so this size is gonna fit Grumpy. Can you move at all? Can you actually move? Come here. Very good, go sit. Sit down. Grumpy, sit. 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 Good girl. So cute. Look so posh. What can fit you? I don't see anything that can actually fit your body. I think they have this is already 2XL. So I don't think there's 10XL for butter. Really cute. Maybe this hat. Oh, so cute. Or what is this? It's a collar, I think. Or something like this. Oh my god. They have jewelry. That's so cute. This is so tiny. Who can fit in here? So I've collected these items for Crumpet. That's the biggest size that they have here. Oh my gosh, shut the fuck up. Is this Gucci? This is a Gucci poncho. Oh my god, let's try this one on. See if it's gonna fit. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can actually put it on, but I can't seem to be able to button up because of her like pump chest. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera down and try see if I can actually close it up. You know what? Actually, we can just like leave it open like this. It's kind of cool. It's kind of posh. Are you fancy? Sit down. Wow, shake. It's like really tight armpit area right here. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, we're getting that. Wait, hang on. Oh my god. This kimono outfit thingy. It says here, it's for dogs from 25 to 35 kg. So butter is like 24. So I don't know if how that's gonna work out, but I'm just gonna take it and see, hope for the best. And we're gonna try it at home. Oh, so cute. I think we got enough. So gonna grab some accessories and then we're on our way. Are you ready? Raja, are you ready? Let's go. Let's get out of here. It's dangerous. Come on, come on. Come on. You're cute. Alright, so guys, this is all the stuff that I've got at PetBuddy. Unfortunately, they didn't really have any Christmas costumes because they said they were sold out very quickly right after they got the stock in. Also, they didn't really have any big sizes for Crumpet and Butter anyway. So what I've got, actually I could only try a few things on Crumpet and Butter. Well, not really Butter because she was like busy panting. But hoping for the best because these are all the biggest sizes that I could find in the shop. Okay, so what we got was, look how gorgeous, look how cute this is. So this is like a kimono, and I assume that this is gonna fit Butter. I hope so. So cute, so cute. And I've got this one. This is like kind of like knitwear, mimicking the Chanel vibe. So black and white. It's quite on the small side, so I'm gonna squeeze Crumpet in and see if it's gonna fit her. Okay, the dog version of Gucci, Poochie, if you may, rock this look on Crumpet, kind of like open chest, because I don't think like we can like actually like fit Crumpet in this button up. So we're gonna try it with the buttons open. Next item, oh my god, this is kind of like Dior version for the dog. It does say Dior here on the jumper. That's really cute. And I also got this in like pink version. So cute. Pink, blue, and yellow. Also Dior. So that's gonna be from Pet. And oh my god, guys, this jumper though, hoodie that says "Be Mine." This is like the biggest one I could find. This is going to fit Butter for sure. Cannot wait to see her in this. What is this? Cardigan? Yeah, cardigan kind of jacket. I think this is like French. Look, this is like the French flag, right? Yeah. It's quite small as well, but this is like the biggest size. It's like 2XL. Oh my god. And a bunch of accessories like this swaggy, you know, rubber necklace. And then we go into the country style. Then we are moving to Mexico with some fries. And oh, what else? What's this? A bunch of like cute accessory, like guys. Can you like imagine? This is like Pandora Tiffany version for the humans, okay? They are living like the best life now. Like there's so many cute things. A bow tie with a mustache. I think that's it. Oh, last one. So this pearl chain, I think it's gonna look good on the black and white. Wait, let me grab it quickly. I think it's gonna go very well with this one because it's kind of like a Chanel look. It's kind of like, you know, like fancy, luxurious, rich lady living her best life. Okay, so we're gonna take you off the camera for a little bit. I'm gonna get everything that I have in the house to set up like kind of like mini studio, and then I'll see you right after this. Alright guys, I finished the setup. I've got my camera. Crumpet and Butter are here. So we're gonna get right onto it. We're gonna put one by one. We're gonna start with Crumpet first and see what how it's gonna be. Before we start, there's like one pro tip that I have and I use for myself all the time is to get them running, getting active a little bit, so that when they actually pose for the photos, they will be more smiling. I have here this ridiculously noisy Christmas slippers, so I'm gonna try to chase them with it to get them active and get them ready for the photo shoot. Oh, and pro tip number 2 is to always have with you one of their favorite toys or one that makes noises, like this one. So that when I aim at them at the photo shoot, I would always put this right next to the camera. Sometimes they would just like look right at this one, or I can just like squeeze this and get their attention. So that's like a really good trick that I use all the time. Okay, so let's get to the photo shoot. We're gonna do the first outfit. Alright, so this is on top, so let's just try this one first. We're gonna try this Chanel look and see if Crumpet can really pull it off. Okay, Crumpy, come here. Where are you? Alright. Okay, so Crumpet is already on her mark, in her position. It's just really hard to put this one on her neck and can actually show it on the photos. I tried before. It's not gonna work, so I'm just gonna lock this up and maybe like use it on her forehead. So kind of like a headband. So good, guys. I hope you can see. That's the whole look. Serving Chanel realness. Oh my god. Look at that. Smile. Can you smile? Smile. That's good. Okay, let's get the photo going. Good girl. Alright, I've got these sunglasses of mine. We're gonna try that because, you know, like, if you're not wearing sunglasses, like, are you even rich? Go. Let's go. Smile. Smile. Alright, the second look I'm gonna do is this Gucci. How's the Gucci? How's the Poochie? I absolutely don't think that this is gonna fit Crumpet because it's way too tight because of the material as well. So it's more like what do you call it? A trench coat, yeah, jacket kind of material. So it's not gonna stretch. So we're gonna put it on. If it doesn't fit, we're gonna do the open jacket kind of look. Actually, I think this one is gonna look great with that outfit. So we're gonna use this one. Also use it as a like a forehead accessory, like this. Like it. Oh my god, absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. Again, serving Gucci realness. Ah, smile. You know that she can like actually put on a smile on cue. That's absolutely intelligent. Who says that short people cannot be models, right? Yeah, you agree? Alright, let's get the photos for this one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I've got another sunglasses. This is more like a fun side. Ooh. You should be like glasses model. Are you giving me the cool look? Oh, photo shoot is so exhausting, especially I only have myself and have to like deal with all this. So I've already finished photos for Crumpet. I can't really show you everything because it's gonna like this video is gonna be like 2 hours long. But I will show you the result at the end of the video. So please stay with me. So we're gonna try with butter right now. Butter is really simple because like nothing. She doesn't really have much stuff. Gonna try this kimono on and also this hoodie. Let's get to work. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my god. This is so cute. Are you a Japanese girl? Ata, look at her head. It's like so big. It's like poof out of the costume. It's quite tight. Just gonna take a few photos from behind. Show the ribbon.
A few moments later.
Guys, we've done it, we've made it, we've finished the photo shoot. There's so many cute photos that I think we managed to take, and we're gonna let you enjoy them right after this. But thank you so much for coming this far along in the video. And if you like, hey, wake up. If you like this video, please press the button like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Ben, this is Crumpet, and that's Butter, who's antisocial. Please spread the word, share the video if you want. That's gonna help us a lot, and thank you so much, and we'll hope to see Until next time, enjoy the photos. Bye.